Hi everyone, welcome to IT Learning. I am Vinod Kumar. Now I will explain the concept of variable arguments in the Java programming language. What is the purpose of using the variable arguments? Normally, a function or a method can accept fixed number of arguments. Whereas in the case of variable arguments, a function or a method can accept variable number of arguments. From the fifth version of JDK, Java added this important capability. We can implement the concept of variable arguments by using the concept of arrays. By using arrays only, we can implement the concept of variable arguments. Let's move on to the coding, my dear friends. We are using a class. Inside the class, I am using a static method. Static is a keyword. Void is a return type, name of the method. When I use the keyword static, because it is a static method, I can call this method directly. Without using any objects, I can call this method directly. My dear friends, please observe the parameters list very closely. Inside the parameters list, I am using an implicit array because by using the concept of array only, we can implement variable arguments. So, V is an implicit array. Before the name of the variable, I have to use three dots. By using these three dots, we are informing the compiler that this method can accept variable number of arguments. What is the data type of the array? It is integer. Inside the static method, by using the statement of system.out.print, I will display the message in the horizontal direction. In the same line, I am using system.out.print, number of arguments, plus operator we are using for concatenation purpose, v.length. By using the length parameter, I can find out number of elements that is available in the implicit array. When I call the method for the first time, I am using three arguments. So at present, the implicit array contains three arguments. So the value 3 will be displayed. After that, I have to display the values one by one in the horizontal direction. For that purpose, I am using the enhanced for loop. In the enhanced for loop, C is the iterative variable. Before the colon symbol, I am using the iterative variable. C is the name of the iterative variable. Integer is a data type. After the colon symbol, I have to mention the name of the collection. Here, the name of the collection is V, that is the implicit array. By using the statement system.out.print, so by using the statement system.out.print, I will display the value in the horizontal direction. So the values 10, 20 and 30 will be printed in the horizontal direction. Between the two values, we are inserting a blank space. By using the statement system.out.println, the control will move on to the next line. So when I call the method for the second time, the implicit array will receive two arguments. So the number of arguments, two values 10 and 20. So to print the values, I have to use the enhanced for loop. During the third call, I am using a single parameter. During the fourth call, I am not using any parameter. Look at the fourth call. When I call the method for the fourth time, I am not using any argument. So the implicit array doesn't contain any arguments. So number of arguments will be 0. After the values, no value will be printed. Now, look at the parameters list, my dear friends. In the parameters list, the normal parameter can coexist with variable length parameter. The normal parameter can coexist with variable length parameter. Look at the parameters list, my dear friends. Integer is a data type, name of the method. So inside the parameters list, the first one is a normal parameter. Second one is a variable length parameter. So when we are using the variable length parameter, the variable length parameter must be the last parameter. Look at the second statement, my dear friends. In the second statement, first one is a normal parameter, second one is a variable length parameter, third one is a normal parameter. In between two normal parameters, we are using the variable length parameter. This is wrong. The second statement will generate an error message. Look at the third statement, my dear friends. Integer is a return type, name of the method. In the parameters list, first one is a normal parameter, second one is a variable length parameter, third one is a variable length parameter. In the entire parameter list, I can use only one variable length parameter. But in this example, I am using two variable length parameters. This is also wrong. It will generate an error message. That's all for now. For more videos, please subscribe to IT Learning channel. Thank you.